Lighting shouldn't slow you down, and now it doesn't have to. Introducing the brand new 80-watt Rechargeable Quick Pack Kit, built for fast deployment, total portability, and powerful 360-degree lighting anywhere you need it. This isn't just a light, it's an all-in-one lighting solution. The kit includes an 80-watt balloon light fixture, a 52-volt portable battery, a quick pack mast, a wireless remote, tripod adapter, eye-bolt, and an AC battery charger, all packed into a heavy-duty rolling hard case. The unit also includes 3 versatile power cords, giving you multiple options to power the system wherever you need it. Quick and easy setup, no generators, no complicated systems, just unpack, extend, and you're ready to go in seconds. Delivering 10,400 lumens of ultra-smooth diffuse illumination, this light floods your entire area with clean, even coverage, eliminating harsh shadows and overpowering glare. A clean 5,000 Kelvin color temperature gives you natural, clear visibility in any environment. The Rechargeable Quick Pack Kit is equipped with a 52-volt portable battery, delivering up to 9 hours of runtime on max brightness. The unit is fully dimmable and can be controlled with the provided wireless remote or by the SeeDevil mobile app, giving you total control wherever you are. The balloon light diffuser is constructed from a heat and water resistant UV protected nylon built to withstand demanding environments. Lightweight, versatile, portable, and compact. This is a light that works as hard as you do.